Hey guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll explain about common mistake people make when replacing fuses and relays that can end up you spending quite a bit of money on diagnostics tools, parts that you may not need. Make sure you stay until the end. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Explorer, that generation here from year 2011 to year 2015. If you need to find guys where the airbag light, fuses and relays are located, where you can expect to find them, we'll explain about that. Guys, consider this video for entertaining purposes only. We'll explain why. We'll explain where you can buy cheap parts and tools, that way do not waste money and time. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine lights, transmission lights, fuses, relays. Why we do all that, guys? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, check out our YouTube channels. We have, guys, more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So the airbag light, fuses, okay guys, and relays, where you can expect to find them. We will demonstrate on this Ford Explorer right here, guys. What we need to do, we need to open the driver door, we need to come under the dash in the footwell compartment, and you need to look behind the parking brake paddle on the left side, under the dash, all the way upside down, look at it. Okay, you need to come right here, and you're going to find a black box like this one, that cover. You squeeze these two knobs together and pull it out. Behind it is the main interior fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, now before we start, consider this video for entertaining purposes only. Why? Because in order to work on the airbag system you have to be qualified and certified, otherwise you can get hurt or even killed by malfunctioning airbag systems. Now guys, even if you check a fuse, you still need to be qualified and certified. Another thing, for any of you that are qualified and certified, quick reminder, you need to disconnect the car battery for at least 1 hour. When you check airbag connections, modules, fuses, airbags, anything like that. And you need to know which battery terminal to disconnect and reconnect first, otherwise you can cause damages to modules and computers that can cost you thousands of dollars in future repairs. We'll put a link in the description of the video below to a video that will say which battery terminal to disconnect or reconnect first. What do we need to do now, guys? Okay, we're going to come to the fuse box, okay, that we had right here. And here, guys, we need to check two fuses. The first one, okay, is known as fuse 33. We're talking about a 10 fuse right here. That's the one that you need to check. Then you have one more, and we're talking about fuse 37. So these two fuses will need to be checked. What about the relay? You don't have any relays. Those are known as relay fuses. The relay part is practically controlled by a module. So guys, by the way, you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, circuit breakers, and check under the hood. It's even more complicated, guys. And even you have some special fuses, okay, like this one right here. One time we needed a replacement fuse, we couldn't get one, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that. We'll recommend to buy some, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience, where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.